Hi everyone, this is Janelle from the Customer Success team at Funnel, and today I wanted to show you how to utilize the lookup function within Funnel. Lookup allows you to create a custom dimension by searching for a match in a table, and then it returns a corresponding value in that row. Some typical use cases would be converting your campaign codes to human readable values using a translation table, or if you need to look up the week number for a date by using a non-standard week number. Let's show you how you can create a simple lookup table and how to incorporate a translation table. So for the first example, I'll show you how to create a manual lookup table to be able to change these figures here that we have set for the campaign, which are just codes, into human-friendly campaign names. So the first thing we do is click into the Dimensions tab and create a new dimension from scratch. We can call this human-friendly campaign. And then we'll scroll all the way down and create a rule for all data. And then we'll click on then value of campaign, then lookup. And then we can make sure that this is set to comma separated values and that this is set to equal. And then since we're doing a manual lookup table, we would have the value stated as such. So with just a comma in the middle. And then this way it'll look up the value for the code and it'll return back the values that are human friendly. So we can create this. And then if we jump into the Data Explorer, we can reload it. And then we can click on our human-friendly campaign to add it into our view. And then there you have it. Now you have the human-friendly campaign name listed as such. So for the second example, I'll show you how to use the lookup condition with a translation table already uploaded into Funnel. So if you jump into the Data Sources tab, you can see that I've already uploaded a Google Sheet with the translation table within it. And it looks like this. So you have the campaign and then the human-friendly name right there next to it. Jumping back into Funnel, we'll go back to the same dimension that we just created and edit it. And then over here, instead of using the manual lookup, we'll just click on that sheet that we uploaded, and then we'll select for the field campaign, return the human-friendly name. And then we'll save that. And then jumping back into Data Explorer, we can reload this. And then once again, you can see that it returns the output that we created within that specific translation table. So there you have it. Those are just two examples on how to utilize the lookup function. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to our support at support@funnel.io or through our in-app chat. Bye.